What if I told you that in just a few minutes, you could unlock secrets that could change your financial life forever? Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of financial freedom but feel stuck? Let's dive into some powerful strategies that can transform your approach to wealth in the coming year. First, let's talk about the power of mindset. Your thoughts can either empower you or hold you back. Have you ever noticed how successful people seem to attract opportunities? They believe in their ability to create wealth, and you can too. What if you started each day with affirmations about your financial goals? Instead of saying, "I can't afford this," try saying, "How can I afford this?" This shift in perspective opens your mind to possibilities. What mindsets have you adopted that may be limiting your wealth? Next, let's explore the importance of building multiple streams of income. Relying solely on your job for financial security is a risk in today's world. Have you ever considered side hustles or passive income sources? Whether it's freelancing, investing in stocks, or starting an online business, diversifying your income can provide a safety net and accelerate your wealth-building journey. Now let's discuss the power of financial literacy. Understanding how money works is crucial. Many people struggle because they don't know how to manage their finances. Are you familiar with concepts like compound interest, inflation, or asset allocation? Educate yourself through books, podcasts, or online courses. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make smart financial decisions. What resources have you found helpful in your financial education? Another essential hack for wealth in 2025 is budgeting effectively. Most people cringe at the word budget, but it's simply a plan for your money. Are you aware of where your money goes each month? Tracking your expenses can reveal patterns in areas where you can cut back. Consider using budgeting apps to simplify this process. What's one area in your budget you'd like to improve? Let's not forget the importance of investing early. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Have you taken advantage of retirement accounts like 401(k)s or IRAs? Even small contributions can make a significant difference over time due to the magic of compounding. What's stopping you from starting your investment journey today? Now here's a crucial point: the power of networking. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who are also focused on building wealth. Have you joined any groups or attended seminars that could help you connect with potential mentors? Engaging with others who share your financial goals can provide motivation and open doors to new opportunities. Who inspires you in your financial journey? As we move forward, remember to automate your savings and investments. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account or investment fund. This way, you pay yourself first before you even touch your spending money. It's an effortless way to build your wealth over time. Have you considered automating your finances? And now, I want to hear from you. What are your biggest financial goals or challenges? Comment below and let's start a conversation. Your input matters, and sharing your journey can inspire others in our community. Now, before we wrap up, here's a powerful financial quote to ponder. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. This reminds us that no matter where you are in your financial journey, it's never too late to start taking control of your wealth. As we conclude, I want to leave you with this message. You have the power to change your financial future. By adopting the right mindset, educating yourself, and taking actionable steps today, you can create the life you desire. So take charge, stay motivated, and remember that every small step counts. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more wealth hacks and personal finance tips. Your journey to financial freedom starts now. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.